In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is QuickBooks 2026 step by step. QuickBooks is a cloud-based accounting platform that helps small businesses track income and expenses, send invoices, pay bills, and see clear, real-time financial reports. Before we dive into the workspace, a quick tip: make sure your company details are accurate, connect your bank and credit card feeds so transactions flow in automatically, and get comfortable with the Create button, which is where you'll generate invoices, expenses, bills, and more. Let's start with products and services. This is your catalog of what you sell, both goods and services. Here you can add items, set prices, assign income and expense accounts, and, if needed, turn on inventory tracking. Keep names clear and categories consistent so reports remain tidy. If you use SQs, add them now to streamline reorders and reporting. Next, open expenses and bills. This is your home for vendor bills, reimbursements, and everyday spending. Record bills as soon as they arrive, attach copies of receipts, and categorize each transaction to the correct expense account. If you've connected your bank, match imported transactions here instead of retyping them. This reduces errors and speeds up reconciliation. Move over to sales and get paid. This is where you create and manage invoices, sales receipts, and customer payments. Customize your invoice template with your logo and payment terms, enable online payments if available to get paid faster, and monitor invoice status so you can follow up on anything overdue. Head to Customer Hub to manage contacts, store customer details, see open balances, view transaction history, and send statements. Keeping this list clean, no duplicates, complete addresses, and correct emails helps your invoices reach the right people and keeps your aging report accurate. Open Team to manage who has access. Assign users the right roles and permissions so bookkeepers, sales staff, or managers only see what they need. Review access regularly and remove anyone who no longer requires it. Check out projects to track job-based work, group-related income, expenses, time, and vendor bills under one project, and monitor profitability in one place. This is especially helpful for service, construction, or consulting work. Go to Inventory to manage stock levels, turn on quantity tracking, set reorder points, and confirm cost and income accounts. This keeps your cost of goods sold accurate and prevents stockouts. Visit Tax to configure sales tax settings, agencies, rates, and filing schedules. Record payments here and review liability reports before filing. Finally, open Marketing to explore tools that promote your business and help you track the impact of your outreach. Use the insights to refine what works and focus your efforts.